Good afternoon. My name is Deborah Conlon. I am a student of Disciple School of Ministries. I am also a life coach, and I run retreats for Restoring You, which is restorative ministry, understanding how the Lord can heal us from our brokenness. This weekend has very much been that journey, where we have come to the Lord on Wednesday broken, but even more how Christ was broken to save us. There are many times what we say, what we do, how we act, how we behave, how we break others down, and how we were ones that threw those stones or whipped Jesus to the end. But in God's grace and mercy, his Son died for us. And when he hung on that cross, he said it was finished. It was finished, meaning that we can rise. We can live a life outside our sin. We can live a life outside our afflictions. We can live outside our scars and our challenges. Every challenge for us should be a stepping stone. We need to understand the preparation that the Lord puts us through for greater things, for us to be able to go and work as servants in the kingdom for the greater good of God, and to be able to share the gospel with others, to bring them to a place where they would know him as their personal Savior. The Disciple School of Ministries is a place and a platform just for that. If you have felt led by the Lord to dig deeper, to study more, to want to learn more about the Word because you want to go out there and teach others, or if this is just about your own personal growth of understanding, then join Disciple School of Ministries. You can learn so much more about the Word in a very simple, understanding manner. The support of Pastor Ash and Pastor Devon, as well as the students of Disciple School of Ministries, is amazing. They're always there to support, to pray, and to help you unpack where it's necessary. You're even able to open a disciple school if that is something that you led to want to do in your area. So as we come through to the close of our Easter weekend, I want us to think and be encouraged that the Lord's death cannot be in vain. He has chosen us for a time such as now. He has put us through preparation. He has brought us to a place of being still. And now, as the Lord rises, so let us rise with him. So let us not be afraid to step out and be able to go and share the gospel, learn the gospel, dig deeper to understand who he is and what he wants us to learn from the trials and tribulations that we face. We are never alone, and he will never leave us. He will always put his hand out there for us and lift us up when we are unable, because he is able. When life feels hopeless, he is our hope. When we are unable, he is able. It is time and it is possible, if you believe, to rise up, to hold up the sword of Christ and say, here I am, Lord. Use me, Lord. Show me, Lord. Guide me, Lord. And come forth as a group together and fight to save the world, to save one individual at a time, one family at a time, one community at a time, because anything is possible if we believe. God bless.